Hello everyone, this is Abbas and today's lecture we will learn how to use Xsd tool. And a question comes in our mind that what is the purpose of this tool, and if we Google that question we will get the answer that this tool is used to manipulate, to play with the XML schema that we have. For example, we have a schema that is Xsd file that we have, and we want to convert it into a class. Then we can use this tool to achieve our goal. So where this tool is located? This tool is basically located in your system in C drive at this given path. This path may vary a little bit based upon your operating system and other things, but in my system, in my laptop, this is the path where Xsd tool is located. Let me open this path for you and show you this tool. If I type X, there it is. This is the tool that we want to use, and for what purpose we will use this tool. We will basically convert this XML's Xsd schema to a class file. First of all, open command prompt with administrator rights, and then change your directory to this path. I will paste it and press enter. So now I am on the location where that tool is located, and we will use this command to convert our schema to a class. In this command, the first thing is the Xsd tool name, Xsd space, this is the path of my XML file, and then I want it to convert into class file, and then this is the output directory. So I will copy this and paste it here and press enter. You see what happened? It did not convert my schema to class, and meanwhile I paused the video and I checked there was some issue in the schema. Basically I manipulated that schema that I shouldn't be, and then I took another schema, and now I will try and hope so it will work. Yes, it worked. And now I will go to the location and see here the thing that I wanted is done now. So this is how you can easily convert your Xsd schema to a class. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and there is a bonus tip that please do not use such path that have space in it. Try to use a path that don't have any space in between. So thank you so much again.